Looks like that planet can sustain life.
Yeah.
Roger, roger.
Can't wait to tell headquarters.
Manure station!
What the heck? Watch out! It looks like it's coming from the ectofilter.
Pod entrance.
I'll go check it out. I hope it's not an alien. Me too. I wonder what it is.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Back to our quarters. Lost power.
We need a plan.
I've got a plan. Ah! It didn't work! Guys, let's vacuum it up. I think it's working. Darn it! Panic! Oh my god! Eject the slime into the escape pods. Bob, get over here. Sir, yes, sir.
We got the power back.
Let's go home, boys.
Yay!